this is Rick Kaselj from exercisesforinjuries.com and Fix My Back Pain. This is a special video for Tyler Bramlett and everyone over at Garage Warrior. Tyler wanted me to chat about how crappy planks are probably the reason why you end up having back pain, and tweaks that you can end up making to kind of turning the plank into a good exercise into a back pain exercise. So I'm going to get Orsi to kind of demonstrate kind of a poor plank and a bad plank. So we end up having kind of the plank where the seat ends up being high and or when you drop the hips and it ends up being overarching in the back. And both of them the big thing ends up being there is changing in the curve of the back. So we want to maintain that curve in the back, and we want to activate the abdominal area and the muscles around it in order to keep the spine neutral and have the exercise being good for the back as opposed to losing that arch. So what I end up getting people to do is I end up getting them to start from their knees when it comes to the plank and get their pelvis and back in a good position and then move into the full plank. So again, so Orsi starts from her knees, and then what she can end up doing is rocking the pelvis forward, rocking it back, and then she kind of finds what's neutral for her. Then she tightens the abdominal area like she's bracing for a punch. She can lift up her knees. Now she's in good alignment, and then she can engage her glutes, and then she can engage her lats in order to protect that spine even more. So we've got an abdominal exercise, holding that curve in the spine, keeping that pelvis where it's at, bringing in the glutes, bringing in the lats from above to have it be like a whole body exercise and a good exercise for that low back. Perfect, thanks Orsi. And then how long I get people to end up doing it? Usually to start off with the tweak and change in their plank, it's like 5 seconds. 5 repetitions for 5 seconds, then I can increase it to 10 second hold and 10 repetitions. So there you go. If you end up doing the plank and the plank kind of leaves your back feeling funny, give it a go, trying it from the knees, setting your pelvis in a good spot, locking that position by activating your abdominals or bracing your core, lifting the knees off, and then bringing in the glutes and the lats. So there you go, Tyler Bramlett and everyone over at Garage Warrior. Give that tweak a go in order to turn the plank into a good exercise as opposed to a back pain creating exercise.